Choosing the wrong GPS bike computer can ruin your ride with poor navigation and inaccurate tracking. In this video, we'll reveal 5 of the best GPS bike computers, and one of them could be the perfect upgrade for your cycling adventures. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started.
Product number 1, iGPSPORT BSC300. The iGPSPORT BSC300 is a compact and friendly bike GPS computer. It comes with a bright 2.4-inch color screen that is easy to see while riding. You get built-in navigation so you can follow routes without stopping. It supports speed, cadence, and other wireless sensors, which makes your ride feel more complete. The device is wireless and uses Type-C charging, which is fast and simple. It has auto sleep and auto pause, so it saves battery when you stop. The IPX6 waterproof design means light rain will not be a problem. It feels light on the bike and does not look bulky. The buttons are simple and easy to press, even with gloves. This computer focuses on smooth daily riding rather than complex setup. It is very friendly for new users. The menus are clean and not confusing. You turn it on and ride. That is it. Pros: easy to use from the first ride. Clear color screen for outdoor riding. Cons: no touchscreen. Waterproof is lower than some rivals. Who it's for? Casual riders and daily commuters. Final verdict: a simple and reliable GPS bike computer for stress-free riding. Product number 2, COOSPO CS600. The COOSPO CS600 is made for riders who want more control. It has a large 2.4-inch color touchscreen, which feels smooth and modern. You can swipe and tap just like a phone. Navigation is built in and works well for long rides and indoor training. It supports wireless sensors and connects easily with other devices. The IPX7 waterproof rating means rain and splashes are not an issue. It uses Type-C charging and includes auto sleep and auto pause features. The screen is bright and colorful, which helps when riding under the sun. The menu feels more advanced, but still easy to learn. This bike computer is good for riders who enjoy exploring new routes. Touch control makes it feel premium. It balances smart features with simple daily use. Pros: smooth and responsive touchscreen, strong waterproof protection. Cons: touchscreen may struggle with wet gloves. Who it's for? Riders who want touch control and navigation. Final verdict: a smart and modern GPS computer with a premium feel. Product number 3, GEOID CC600. The GEOID CC600 is packed with features, but still easy to enjoy. It has a full laminated 2.4-inch color screen that looks sharp and clean. The device supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ant+, which makes data syncing fast. It connects with popular apps like Strava and Training Peaks. The battery lasts up to 17 hours in daily use and even longer in extended mode. It supports many satellite systems, which helps with accurate positioning. Storage is enough for long ride history. The IPX7 waterproof body feels solid and reliable. Buttons are responsive and simple. You can customize many data pages without feeling lost. This computer is great for riders who love data but do not want stress. Pros: very strong connectivity options, long battery life for long rides. Cons: no touchscreen, slight learning curve at first. Who it's for? Data-focused riders and long-distance cyclists. Final verdict: a powerful GPS bike computer with excellent value. Product number 4, COOSPO CS500. The COOSPO CS500 keeps things simple and focused. It uses a black and white display, which is easy to read and saves battery. Navigation is included and works well for planned routes. It supports Bluetooth and Ant+ sensors for speed, cadence, and heart rate. The IPX7 waterproof rating makes it safe for rainy rides. Auto sleep and auto pause help extend battery life. It charges with Type-C and feels light on the bike. There is no touchscreen, which means fewer mistakes during rides. Buttons are reliable and easy to press. This model avoids extra features and focuses on core riding needs. It feels stable and dependable every day. Pros: long battery life with simple screen. Very reliable button control. Cons: no color display, no touchscreen. Who it's for? Riders who prefer simple and classic design. Final verdict: a no-nonsense GPS computer that just works. Product number 5, Magene C506. The Magene C506 is a feature-rich bike GPS computer built for training and long rides. It has a 2.4-inch color touchscreen that looks bright and clear. Navigation includes turn-by-turn guidance, which helps you stay on track. It gives alerts when you go off route. The device supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ANT+ for easy syncing. Battery life reaches around 17 hours with extended mode support. It works with many sensors, including power meters, trainers, and heart rate monitors. Smart notifications keep you connected while riding. Auto brightness adjusts the screen for different light conditions. The IPX7 waterproof design keeps it safe in rain. The interface feels smooth and organized. Even with many features, the layout feels clear. It is made for riders who want training tools and navigation in one device. Pros: very strong training features. Bright and smooth touchscreen. Cons: may feel complex for beginners. Who it's for? Training-focused and advanced riders. Final verdict: a complete GPS bike computer for serious cycling. I share helpful videos for you every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability, so you can confidently choose the best product.